Hi, welcome back to Crazy Toy Studios. It is day 2 of our camping trip, and we are back at the river. Yesterday we went to get some sea glass and we found some. But before we show you some, I wanted to say in this video we will go to the fantastic waterfall. I'm very excited for that, but now let's show you the glass.
So I've got a couple of pieces here.
So I'll tell you which one are like either common, either the second common, so the reddish one, and then there's the white, and then this is the rarest.
Yeah, the blue ones.
The blue ones.
We're aiming for the blue ones.
Yeah. I hope you like that. But now we have to go and find some more sea glass. We have found some more sea glass. If you want to show it.
Okay. So we already had some bits. This is just a stone. So I think we found this one and this bluish one,
which are very, very cool. I think they were in the water for a long time. But I found sheep hair, which is kind of disgusting because it has all of these things. I think I'm going to just throw it. We're back at camp, and we got hot chocolate and huge, and I actually mean huge marshmallows. And cookies having fun. And cookies. It's really nice. You can also get them, but you can also get like tiny marshmallows, or like big ones, like that small, or like that one. Oh yeah, and we are soon going to the waterfalls, so this will give us a lot of like hot energy in our body, so we can have a great time at the waterfalls.
No.
We have some great news, like it is absolutely great. We found out that at the waterfalls there are some majestic fairy magic. Fairies!
And I've heard that there should be like a treasure map or something like that.
Yeah. Or like any gems or crystals, and that are at the end of the map.
Maybe
that
money.
sign for X. Money. Money.
They've only got money. I don't know. Maybe teeth.
Yeah, maybe teeth. Teeth. That's horrible.
Maybe we can eat tooth fairy.
No.
Teeth. I don't know where she hides on her teeth. What does she do with all those teeth anyway?
So we are so excited to go for the fairy adventure at the waterfalls. Yeah. Yeah. We'll see you there
soon.
Bye.
Yeah.
Finally, we have arrived at the water fountain place. We are so excited to get the treasures, and we are on our way.
Yeah, and the fairy treasure. I hope there's clues because I've got literally no idea where this place is.
Yeah.
And the treasure, because I've seen the map. It's huge.
Yeah, it is literally huge,
Big.
but also tiny for us, but like huge landscape, like the hills, the mountains. Yeah, it is everything. It's so big.
We're so excited. I hope we find it. Okay, let's go walk the waterfall then.
Yeah. On the way we found the dam. Isn't it amazing? It is so funny. Yeah. So we finally at the waterfall. Wow. Guys, so cool.
I think I can hear giggles.
And bells. It's over there. Whoa, cool.
What is it? What does it say?
It says, if you seek the next clue, find the
It's a bit wet.
roots of the... I can't read this. What
Should
does
I
it
see?
say?
The roots of
the
tree. Roots of the tree.
No.
of the
boughs of wisdom. Boughs of wisdom, it says.
That means find the oldest tree. That looks like an old tree. Let's go. Yeah. Oh my god, those rocks look weird. Yeah. Maybe the fairies want us to put them together.
How about you put them together?
Yeah.
Oh my god, those two rocks open. Those two rocks open.
Oh my. Whoa. It's like maybe it's a treasure.
I'm gonna go over there.
Oh, so the
It's
crack
like-
points in the direction of the
Yeah.
next clue.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly there.
Over there.
I'm gonna
Okay,
go
yeah.
over there. Someone.
Let's see. Kind of dangerous. Let's see. What's that?
Hey, this is the
It's
rock that
something
opened.
white. It doesn't look like a bug. It doesn't look like a bug.
Hey, that thing looks like it's pointing up there.
Okay,
Yeah.
so go
Maybe-
check it out.
maybe
See
there's
if
something up
there's
there.
any treasure. Searching all around here. I think we should set fire. Let's go. Yeah, good idea. It's a bit slippy. Hey, I can see something white. I can see something. Me too. Orange and gray. Orange and gray. Oh my god, guys, I found the fairy treasure. Come on, let's bring it down. Okay, go down. Come on. Okay, let's go and see what's inside. Yeah.
Let's get down from the waterfall and see
Oh
it.
my god, the treasure.
We found it.
Let's see what's inside. Yeah.
Oh,
I think these are quartz. Oh my god. There's a ring. Oh my wow.
Look how this
is
looks
like
on
a
the side.
crystal. Whoa. These are amazing. I love the bag.
Yeah.
Really design. It's really nice. Oh, look, the quartz. So this has been a really good. This has been a really good adventure at the waterfalls. Yeah. Yeah, I did. But did you hear that the fairy just told us that we'll find more treasure? Tomorrow that we'll find more treasure in caves. Or like some places. She didn't tell us exactly, but there will be
Hang
more
on.
treasure.
Right now, I just heard a whisper of a fairy saying there will be treasure every other place you go. Like, I heard we're going to go to caves on your birthday. So maybe there's going to be
Yeah.
treasure over there.
Yeah.
And
Maybe
we're
when I
going to the lake tomorrow, somewhere tomorrow. I don't know exactly.
Yeah.
So we can probably find it. So
Yeah.
I wonder.
Maybe there'll be some clues like this time. Yeah, and if you want to watch that video, remember to subscribe to Crazy Toy Studio and
Ninja Cat of the Arts.
bye. Bye.